If you ever feel like nothing ever goes your way, you're missing the opportunity by just this much and the universe is kind of always skipping over you, then you're not really imagining things in your head. You're not exactly cursed, but you are missing something which is very crucial and very critical, and this is the element of timing. Once you start seeing this and you make subtle changes and shifts, then things will start shifting for you and you will gather momentum and you will no longer feel that you are cursed. So how exactly does this work? That is what you're going to find out in this video. Hello everybody, I am Vaishali Nikhade. I am an engineer turned psychic with over 9,000 readings, and what I have seen is people who feel that they are not lucky or things are completely stuck in their life. They are just moving against the natural energy rhythms. And once you fix this, then things are going to start shifting for you. In this video, you're going to learn the real reason why you feel that you have bad luck even when you keep doing everything right. We are going to walk through what exactly is happening, how energy patterns create invisible resistance, and what you can do today to start shifting that. And I will give you access to a free workshop where you can see how you can leverage the energy patterns when things are going to move forward for you in a faster manner, easier manner, and during a time when you are going to gain momentum. And once you start leveraging this, then things are going to come to you a lot easier and you may not feel that you have bad luck. So here's what you're going to learn in this video. The first one is you're not aligned with timing, even though you may think you are. Your nervous system is confused by mixed signals, and you don't know when the universe is actually supporting you. So the first part is you're not aligned with timing. So the stars show you exactly which parts of the month things are going to work out naturally and favorably for you. And then they also show you the parts of the month where things are not going to work for you. So if you just keep making effort and putting in all the work during the second part, so let's say there's 2 halves of the month, and during this half of the month, things are going to work favorably for you, and then during this half of the month things are not going to work favorably for you. And let's say that you're putting in all the work and all the effort during this part of the month. So you're putting in all the work and all the effort, and then you realize that, oh my god, I'm doing so much work, I'm working so hard, and yet nothing is happening. And then at this point you're going to quit, when if you could have just started somewhere here or even here, then if you had done the work, then things would have worked really favorable for you. And these are pockets of energy or pockets of periods during a month where you can figure out like which parts are going to be favorable for you. And it could be that one part of the month is favorable for love, one part of the month is favorable for money, one part of the month is favorable for career, and so on. And once you figure these pockets out, then things are going to start moving a lot easily for you. And you can sign up for the free workshop where I show you how you can leverage these patterns. Second one is that your nervous system is confused by mixed signals. So let's say that your brain says go and your intuition is saying no, stop, this is not the right thing to do, but logic is saying that because you should do something, otherwise you're wasting your time, then you keep doing it. And it's just possible that you keep doing the wrong thing because logically it is the right thing to do, however intuitively it is not, and you're not listening to your intuition. Then your nervous system is completely confused. Is this person following logic or is this person following intuition? Why is this person not following intuition? And it is completely lost. And because of this, even though you may be doing the right thing, your energy is completely off and your nervous system is thoroughly confused, and you're just kind of going to end up either not doing the right work or not having the right attitude towards doing the work, and finally it's going to come towards you not really getting the result that you are looking for. The next part is you don't know when the universe is actually supporting you. And I kind of touched upon this briefly in the first example where I showed you the first part of the month which was not favorable and the next part of the month which was favorable. Another way to look at it is universe has natural rhythms. For instance, one of the rhythms universe has is day and night. And most of the people, they work during the day or they are more active during the day and they sleep during the night or go to bed during the night. So if you were to call someone, let's say you're calling them at 2 a.m., then most likely you're not going to get a good response from them, especially if the call is for, let's say, a frivolous reason. However, if you made that same call during the daytime and the person was in a mood where they wanted to talk to you, where they wanted to chat with you, then your response is going to be different. So in the same way, the universe has this rhythm of day and night. There are periods of energy where you have to kind of sow the seeds, and then there are periods of energy where you have to kind of reap the rewards. And you can know these periods by getting guidance from the stars, and that's the workshop I have. You can sign up below. You can get guidance from the stars, and knowing these periods is going to make your life a lot easier for you. You're not going to feel that you're going to put in the work and there's going to be no outcome, or that you're putting in the work for nothing. So this rhythm from the universe, it's going to change every month, and by knowing this in advance, things are going to work extremely favorably for you. Now that you know that your luck is not broken and that energy is everything, you're probably wondering, how do I find the lucky days for the month? The truth is, every month has sweet spots. So go ahead and click on the video below, which is how do I find the luckiest days for each month? And trust me, once you start leveraging this, things are going to start shifting for you very, very quickly. I'll see you in the next video.